All right, what's good, everybody? Don't mind the shirt. It's just today we're gonna find exhaust leaks and we're going to fix them. I'm gonna be using a shop vac, and what we're gonna be using with the shop vac is since we have a dual exhaust coming out from each side of the car, we're going to be putting in the the blowing side. So instead of the vacuum sucking up air, we're gonna put it on the other side, and it's gonna be pushing air. So here's our shop vac, and in this hole, that's where the air will go in, or the vacuum will start sucking up dust or whatever. On this side is where the vacuum will start blowing out the other side. So, and that's what we want. So I'm just gonna stick this in there, and for the rest of the part, we're gonna seal it up with a piece of cloth or something, and we don't want any air escaping from where this is gonna be pushing in there. So let's do that now. So I got this piece of rag right here, and we just stick it in here. Not all of it, just make sure it's nice and tight in there. Good. We're gonna do the other side now, and we're gonna plug that out. Here's the next rag. Now the only way for the air to come out is through the leaks. If you have a leak. Now that that's plugged up, don't forget to jack up your car and put it on ramps. Don't forget your little wheel chocks. Next step is to grab a like soapy water solution and put it in a spray bottle. I'm gonna put mine in a spray bottle and then turn the vacuum on, and you'll see all the bubbles are gonna be coming out of where you can hear it. You probably don't even like need to make the solution yet. Just have it on hand or on standby, because I think just with the vacuum alone, you're gonna be hearing where the exhaust leaks are gonna be coming from. So yeah, let's do that now. All right, I'm gonna get under there and see what I can find. So you probably could see it. If not, yep. Oh, actually, it's clear as day right there. Right there. I'm zooming in for you. Also found another one, so I'm gonna put a little air on the screen for you, but there's no hole right there. All right, we found where the little two leaks were. So now that you found the exhaust leak, you're planning on fixing it. Here are your options to fix it. One, you could weld it, like how I'm going to be doing it, or you can get putty. You can get an exhaust clamp, but however, if it's at an angle, it's going to be a little hard to get to. I don't think it's going to work out that well. Or you can use an exhaust wrap. All right, well, the car is now done. I already welded up everything, put everything away, test drove it, and no exhaust leaks. So that should be fine right now. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, it's a quick one. Let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.